Hi everyone, it's Emily and today is day 94 of the Odin Project. Today I'm going to talk about test-driven development. I completed the lesson for the JavaScript course entitled Testing Basics, and this started with an overview of test-driven development, which is actually a topic that we are revisiting since we learned about it in the JavaScript fundamentals section, but now we are going deeper into the topic. So as a reminder, test-driven development is an approach to programming where you start by writing automated tests and then you write your code that you're going to be testing. And you can write your automated tests manually, or you can use a test running system such as Jest, which is what we're using with the Odin project. So the assignment for this lesson was to first read a short article about test-driven development, and then we watched 3 videos about test-driven development from the Fun Function YouTube channel. As a side note, I absolutely love the Fun Function YouTube channel. It is my favorite source of information for JavaScript, and anytime that I get stuck on something or I'm confused, I usually go to that channel first to see if they have any videos on the topic. So all that being said, I enjoyed the videos today talking about why test-driven development is important and what the benefits can be. So for example, test-driven development can help to keep your code more dry, which means do not repeat yourself. It can help to cut down on mundane tasks because you can set your tests to run automatically. It can help to improve your communication with your future self, but also with other programmers, and in general it can just lead to neater and cleaner code. After watching those videos, we went to the Jest website and we practiced setting up Jest on our own, and then we read about all the different types of matchers that you can use with Jest. So these are different ways that you can test values. So when you have the output of whatever code that you're testing, you can match it against an expected output. So for example, 2b is a matcher that you can use if you're expecting a specific number as the output of your code, or you can use the matcher toMatch if you're expecting a certain string as the output of your code. So there's a lot of different options and ways that you can use the tests within Jest. Next, I started the project testing practice, where we're instructed to write a variety of automated tests, and then we write the associated code to be run through those tests. So it's a bunch of different types of functions that we're writing, and it is funny because every time I moved on to a new function to write, I always automatically start by writing the actual function, and then I have to physically stop myself and move myself over to my test file to start by writing the automated test and then write the function. So I'm about halfway through this project, and in my next vlog I will do a walkthrough of all of my code for the project. And I believe after this project we are just doing more testing, so a lot of testing in the future. But that is all that I have for today, so thank you for tuning in. If you are currently completing the Odin project, I'd love to hear how it's going for you. If you'd like to leave a comment below and introduce yourself. But I hope that you have a great day. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed these videos, and subscribe if you'd like to follow along on our web dev journey. I'll see you next time.